Today we're going to be repairing bay door hinges on two different kinds of buses. The first one's a GM Silversides bus. This has like a piano hinge style door hinge on it, and the rivets have pulled through the metal, so we're going to use pop rivets to put it back on, drill out the old rivets and put pop rivets on it. And the second one is a 4104 that uses a rubber style hinge. So it's a big long piece of rubber that flexes like a hinge. It also acts as a water seal. So we're going to replace both of these door hinges on two different buses today. We're going to get it moved up more level here, so we're going to pull it up some blocks so it's more level sitting. We're doing some work on the driveway, getting more of a slope to the side too, and we made this drainage ditch over here so the water should flow to the side of the driveway instead of cascading down the whole driveway. Just see where it goes. If it's rainwater, let's see where it goes. Yeah, that's good. It's definitely flowing to the side now. Come down here about halfway and dump the rest of it and see where it goes. Yep. So that way it's flowing immediately off of the driveway, so it's not carrying long distances, and then most of it's going to go over in that gutter area there. Open. Eject. All right, it's reattached. Working on the lock on it right now. The lock's a little seized up. I'm going to take it apart and lubricate it. Just getting this freed up and working again here. It was kind of rusted in there. Get it lubed up, greased up, make sure it turns easy. So when you spin this in here, there's a worm gear that turns a shaft in and out. These threads will come in or out, and that moves this clamp in or out to lock the door. So it was seized up here. So we're lubricating it and getting it going and spraying some of the super slick stuff on it. This side's broken, it's not even there. But one side is all I need to get the doors to work. So just keep lubing this up here and we'll be good to go. So the rubber hinge on this door is ripping and the bay door is falling off. So we're going to replace it. We've got some new bay door rubber hinge down there. We're going to cut it and slide this new door back on. Yeah, go ahead and open it up and see if the thing's attached to it. So that has to come off over there. And then just slide. So I would just take these two bolts right here out. They're like, look like they're 9/16. Nice. Don't drop it. Go grab the other end of it. And just tear it away. There you go. Nice. Flip it over the other way so you can get the screws out of it. It has screws. Nope. No screws in it whatsoever. Should just slide out then. I didn't bring pliers for you. Jonathan's got his multi-tool. Don't cut yourself. Grabbing. Where's it all out?
It's all out.
That was the whole piece you just pulled out?
Yeah.
There was nothing else in there?
I mean, what Hunter pulled out.
Oh, I didn't see him pull it out.
Oh. There's that.
Oh, there it is. I thought there was a lot more. Does this one have screws in it?
No.
Yep, right here's a screw.
No. They're not on the ends.
Yeah, there's a few up there. Tiny little screw up there. They go into the rubber and pinch the rubber. There's a little opening in the middle that you feed it through. I brought dish soap for lube if you need it, but it seems like it's sliding pretty good in there. Make sure it's not twisted. also acts as the weather seal for the door. Okay, go ahead and put some screws. Let's put the screws back in so that it locks it in place so it doesn't slide out when we slide the door on it. Dish soap in there so it's lubricating as it goes. Watch out for that clutch that's on the ground behind you there. Change your angle on the door, like up or down. One way you're gonna make it easier or harder. Nope, leave it open and we'll get those bolts back in. There's a lot of wasp nests in that door. Do you have the bolts?
I got the door. You're good. Set them down. No.
They're next to the impact. My bathroom vent fan lid is destroyed. So we're replacing it with a new one, the whole thing.
I think it's fine. Oh, this one ain't anymore, but
Just make sure that the new one, the hinge goes to the front, so that if we drive down the road with it cracked open a little bit, we can.
okay.
Otherwise, the air will rip it right off. So we are getting ready to start a remodel on Lenny, the 1947 Silversides bus here. We're planning on taking a trip to Florida late spring, early summer with it. Probably work on some buses, but go visit some friends down there too. So we're just getting ready to get things going on the remodel. We lived full-time in this bus for about over 5.5 years. So it definitely is time for a little freshen up, and it's been sitting for about the last 6 months or so.
See that white smoke rising up the holler through the trees, and from a mile away you can hear them play as they climb that hill with ease. But at the top of that mountain there's a new life waiting for those who can make the run. If they can make it to the top, Scott will put them in the shop till their new life has begun. Mountain, where the buses come to run. Bus Grease Mountain, we're gonna get that big job done.